Igama nguSithembiso Nhlaphu, ngibuya kwaNali Ibali. I'm a provincial coordinator for Nali Ibali in the province of Gauteng. So kubalulekile kakhulu kuleyo sikhathi sikuso indaba zokufunda, and we still encourage a lot as much as there are a lot of type of medium in terms of reading. We still encourage a lot of reading. Still, for me, a book is still relevant a lot, and we are not then saying other medium are not appropriate, but they are depending on the person. But what's important is about e-reading. So as an organization, we are promoting e-reading and making an awareness about the importance of reading and writing, more especially for ingane ezincane. And also I think we call upon abazali, because abazali yibo abadlala indima enkulu in terms of laying the foundation. And I think the first 1,000 days are more critical, because that's where the role of a parent comes in, and I think that's when we form part of our habits okufunda nabantwana and that interest. So we are indeed calling upon ukuthi abazali bafundele abantwana and do use ama-facilities aseseduze in terms of borrowing books. We know around amalokishi ethu akhona ama-library kwezinye indawo. Siyazi kwezinye indawo there might be shortage of libraries, but in some areas there are libraries. So, and I think the most important thing is us making use of them, efficiently so, because sometimes we do find that amanye ama-library are not utilized, or not necessarily what utilization ukuthi abantu bathathe iy'ncwadi. People don't have library cards, people don't take out books from the library. That means again i-level yokufunda ayikho ezingeni efanele kube yilo entweni in our communities or ezindlini. So kubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi as parents we push for ukujwayeza abantwana bethu ukuthi bafunde, and even hard copies are very important at this space, so that abantwana they go through the books, they are paging through, they have fun, they ask questions because they see, they can touch, they can smell. Those things are very important, and I can still imagine now the smell of a book. Umntwana unayo uba that interest. So we are calling upon as an organization, we are calling upon that people do read for enjoyment. We know that the academics that needs to be done, but also we encourage reading for enjoyment, which then we believe would in a huge impact in terms of or it contribute a lot in terms of children doing well in the academics. So let's try and start reading for enjoyment emakhaya nokuxoxa izindaba, amabali. And we always say amabali is not about uyofuna nogwaja nobhubesi or inyoni menjiki. Stories are things that are still about things that we have done sakhula, your all upbringing. It's a story on its own, things that you used to do, things that you were doing as a child. We're different, we did many things that are exciting, and I think what becomes interesting is that we're now many generations. Sibizwa ama-1K, abanye sokunama-2K, kuzoza nama-3K mhlawumbe, uyabona. So it means isitori zama-1K ama-2K awazazi. So it means we need to be also telling abantwana ukuthi singama-1K, this is what we used to do as ama-1K, this is what we used to do. Those are stories they need to know. I mean, we look at fashion, how it evolved, and then it's fine. It's some ways of coming back. And we like, lento siyayazi. I mean, there are things like 60s. People say, lento siyayazi Purple Tom, or my 60s in, and they still came back. You understand? So these are stories that we need to tell. How did we do that? So I think fashion just tell us izinto ziyaphinda zenzakala. So what is more important is about telling those stories. It's about capturing those stories. So those stories are very important to us. There's so many things that have happened in our country, and those are stories. How we grew up, what we did, with who and how, and whatever. Those are very important stories, and they're exciting because they make us curious. Things are going to be curious, and that's what we want. And once children become curious, that's when they want to engage more in terms of literature and wanted to hear more of the stories, even oral stories. So siyazi kunabazali mhlambe abangazukufunda, you can tell stories. You don't need to funda, you can tell stories. But also sometimes abantwana they can also read to you. You see, so that's very important. But that does not mean ukuthi if umzali angazukufunda, umzali akana-nix or useless or whatever, you're still very important, because the amount of knowledge and experience that we have is valuable. So I know there's this notion of formal and informal education as organic information that we get from abazali. That's very important. So those are kind of things that we cannot exclude. So the fact that umuntu ufundile wenzeni, everyone ofundile has walked the journey, and they have experience, they have knowledge over all these years in their lives, and those are stories that we want to hear of what they went to, what they've done, and so forth. Yeah. So Nalibali is available. You can reach us on our website, which is www.nalibali.org, or you can go to social media sites, our Facebook, Nalibali SA, sikhona ku-X, sikhona ku-TikTok, sonke sikhona. So sithola konke amanto lama social media sites where we can engage with us. And also our WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp number is 0600 442254, 0600 442254. So you can get in touch with us, and our resources amaningi ungawathola in terms of stories, audio stories you can get from our behalf. So that's what you can get about Nalibali everywhere. Listen to community radio stations who are playing our stories. Yeah.